Start by naming the jobs graphics must perform. Orient the viewer, show order, compare states, surface evidence, or signal a decision. Build a visual grammar around those jobs. Platform-safe zones are constraints from the beginning, not overlays added after composition. The component library should express meaning before it expresses decoration. A batch needs variety without losing identity. Create several visual families with different spatial logic, editorial documents, node networks, progress timelines, decision matrices, and platform frames. Share typography and brand tokens, but vary composition, geometry, motion rhythm, and secondary color. Assign families based on the idea, not randomly. Use motion to explain what changed. Elements can assemble to reveal order, separate to show alternatives, or change color when a review gate passes. Reserve scale for priority. Keep easing and duration consistent enough to feel intentional. If an animation cannot be described as information, reduce it until the idea remains clear. Keep content, timings, media references, and visual variants in version data. Derive scene timing from narration cues, then add deliberate holds. Hash the props, component code, fonts, audio, and render settings. Deterministic inputs make caching safe and make unexpected visual changes traceable during review. Technical checks can confirm codecs, dimensions, and streams, but they cannot approve a frame. Export representative frames and contact sheets, measure obvious blank frame failures, and overlay the real platform pressure zones. A human still reviews hierarchy, legibility, pacing, and whether the visual actually supports the spoken idea.